In this video, I show e-commerce stores owners how to use email campaigns to reduce customer acquisition cost, increase customer lifetime value, and boost your profitability. I cover how email drives more profit, how many emails you should send, which campaigns to run, and how to train your list to consistently open your emails. Stay until the end to get a proven email campaign checklist and lecture notes you could implement right away.
Email marketing strategy, building a profitable campaign engine for e-commerce. The economics, why email crushes paid ads. Let's start with the numbers because they are the key. Paid ads average CAC, customer acquisition cost, is between $50 to $100 or more depending on the industry. Cost resets every campaign. Attribution is getting worse. iOS updates limit the data Facebook can collect from Apple users, while the browsers and cookie restrictions reduced third-party tracking. As a result, Facebook relies more on statistical modeling and estimates instead of confirmed convergence, making performance reporting more volatile and less reliable. Unless you use software like Hyros, Triple Whale, Northbeam to track attribution more accurately. SPM, cost per thousand impressions, are rising year over year due to inflation, increased competition for digital ad space, and higher demand for premium placement and valuable audience segments. Also, there's zero compounding effect when it comes to paid ads because you don't get to determine when people see your ads. So people don't see your ads back to back unless you pay more premium for it, and even that does not guarantee your placement. However, email marketing, sending an email costs a fraction of a cent up to 1 cent. Your email list is an owned asset, so you can reach your customers with no middleman, aka Facebook, that determine the time or where someone see you. Each campaign builds on the previous ones, compounds over time. So the more emails you send someone, the more they trust you, the more they see you as an authority, and the more likely they get purchase from you. This is what I mean by compounding effect, which is very hard to get through paid advertisement. The ROI, return on investment, when it comes to email marketing is typically $36 to $42 per dollar spent on industry average, which is way more than any form of marketing could do, whether it's Facebook advertisement, Google advertisement, or YouTube advertisement. Email marketing beats all of them. Here's the critical insight. Every customer you acquire through paid ads become more profitable when you have a strong back-end system, email infrastructure, that help you capitalize and extend that customer lifespan. Here's the critical insight. Every customer you acquire through paid ads become more profitable when you have a strong back-end system, email infrastructure, that help you capitalize and extend the customer lifespan. If your average customer lifetime value, LTV, is $200 and you're paying $50 to acquire them, you're making $150 per customer. But if you increase LTV to $350 through email marketing while your email costs are negligible, you're now making $300 per customer. You doubled your profit per customer while your competitors are still stuck in the paid ads hamster wheel. Now let's see how emails can help you lower acquisition costs and increase lifetime value through simple emails. 1. Referral generation. A well-engaged email list refers customers. Add a referral program promoted through emails and your CAC drops as an owned channel acquisition increase. Number 2. Reduce ad dependency. When 30 or 40% of your revenue comes from email, you can be more strategic with ads. You're not desperate for clicks, so you can optimize for better quality traffic at lower cost. Number 3. Higher AOV. Email educated customers understand your value better and buy more. If your average order from cold traffic is $80, but email subscribers average is $130, your effective CAC drops. Number 4. Reactivation at zero cost. Bring back lapsed customer using a win-back email campaigns and flows at virtually no additional cost beyond your existing email platform. Then reacquiring the same customers through paid ads where costs are typically higher than the original acquisition. Ad fatigue sets in and platforms algorithm control reach based on how much you spend. Email reactivation gives you a direct channel to lower CAC and increase LTV without relying on volatile ad performance. Now let's answer important questions. Email frequency. How much is too much? This is where most brands get paralyzed and they're terrified of annoying their list, so they send one email per month and wonder why nobody remembers them. The real answer is between 3 to 7 emails per week for most e-commerce brands. Yes, you read that right. Here's the frequency framework. Minimal viable frequency, 3 to 4 times a week. 2 value content based email, 1 to 2 promotional emails. Optimal frequency, 5 to 7 times a week. 3 value based content emails, 2 to 3 promotional based emails, emails, and one surprise and delight based email. What about unsubscribes? This is the fear holding everyone back. Here's the truth: when you increase your frequency, your unsubscribe rate will go up slightly, but your revenue will go up dramatically. You lose people who weren't going to buy anyway, and you activate people who need that frequency to remember you exist. I seen brands go from 1 email per week to 5 emails per week and watch their unsubscribe rate go from 0.1 to 0.3 while their email revenue increased by 400%. Do the math: losing 0.2 more of non-buyers to gain 4 times the revenue is the best trade you could ever make. The email types: building your content arsenal. This is very important because this is going to teach you what type of content you should send your emails and give you a good starting point. You need variety. Sending the same 20% off every email trains people to ignore you. Here's your content which you should mix together. 1. Educational value emails. So you want these emails which are about education and value to be 40% of what you send. These build trust and keep you on top of the mind without selling. Number 1. How-to guides. Show customers how to get the best results from your products. What's the impact of this? Better usage, higher satisfaction, and more repeat purchases. Number 2. Industry insights. Share informed opinions, trends, and myth-busting takes. What's the impact? Position your brand as an authority, people trust you, and keep reading. Number 3. The behind the scenes. Show how products are made and decisions are made. Impact. Build transparency, credibility, and emotional connection. Number 4. Which people love. Founder stories. Share the why, the lessons, and the values behind the brand. The impact turns a product into a mission customers buy into. Number 5. Customer success stories. Highlight real result, transformation. The impact: this will reinforce trust and reduce buyer's remorse. Number 6. Tips and tricks. Quick, actionable advice. Impact: boost open rates. Now the second type of emails that you want to send: promotional emails, and these are going to make up another 40% of the emails you're going to send to your subscribers. These will drive direct revenue. Number 1. Product launches. Introduce new products with clear positioning. The impact: leverages novelty to drive fast first wave sales. Number 2. Sales and discount. Time bound price incentives. What's the impact of that? Removes hesitations and accelerate purchases. Number 3. Limited time offers. Short availability with clear deadline. Impact: pushes later buyers to act now. Number 4. Flash sales. High intensity promotions. 24 to 72 hours. The impact: creates revenue spikes and reactivate buyers. Number 5. Seasonal promotions. Campaigns tied to holidays or events. Impact: captures existing demand at the right moment. Number 6. Bundle deals. Multiple products at a perceived discount. Impact: increase AOV, adding value. Number 7. Restocks. Alerts when popular items return. The impact: convert high intent customers quickly. Now the third type of emails you want to send to people, and this is going to make up another 20% of the emails you're going to send in total for your subscribers. Number 1. Polls and surveys. Invite subscribers to share their opinions. People love that. Impact: increases interaction and makes readers feel involved. Number 2. Quizzes. Fun, light personalization. Impact: boosts engagement and improves segmentation. Number 3. User generated content. Feature real customers and community moment. Impact: builds trust and social proof. Number 4. Memes or humor. Relatable on-brand humor. Impact: breaks the pattern and increase opens. Number 5. Controversial takes. Brand appropriate. Thought-provoking opinions. The impact: sparks curiosity, replies, and discussion. Number 6. You won't believe these stories. Short, curiosity-driven narratives. Impact: pulls readers in and keeps attention. Number 7. Founder updates. Personal notes from behind the brand. Impact: builds emotional connection and long-term loyalty. Now this is another important section that you guys keep in mind. This is going to help you when it comes to also organizing your content. Creating your content calendar, the system that makes everything easy. This is where theory meets execution. Most brands fail at email, not because they don't understand strategy, but because they lack a system for consistently creating content, and they need that system ASAP. Everything in business and life revolves around building systems to save energy so you could focus on important areas of your business instead of operating in chaos. So let's fix that. The monthly planning framework. Step 1. Build your content pillars. Every brand should have 4 to 6 pillars, reoccurring themes that align with your brand values and customers' interests. These becomes your wells you draw from repeatedly. Example: for a skincare brand, Pillar 1. Ingredient education. Pillar 2. Skincare routines and techniques. Pillar 3. Brand story and values. Pillar 4. Customer transformation. Pillar 5. Seasonal skincare tips. And Pillar 6. Industry myth and truth. Another example for fitness apparel brand, pillar 1 would be workout tips and techniques, pillar 2 athlete stories and inspiration, pillar 3 fabric technology and product care, pillar 4 nutrition and recovery, pillar 5 community highlights, and pillar 6 behind the scenes manufacturing. Step number 2, map out your annual marketing calendar. Before you plan a single email, map out your year. This prevents last minute scrambling. Key dates to include major holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, Mother and Father Day, industry specific minor holidays, Earth Day for sustainable brands, National Coffee Day for coffee, seasonal transitions, summer prep, back to school, holiday season, your brand milestones, anniversaries, founder birthday, company achievements, product launch windows, inventory clearance periods, key shopping season, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Prime Day, etc. Step number 3, create your weekly email template. This is your repeatable structure. Here are proven 5 email per week template. Monday, educational email content pillar, rotation, how-to guides, tips. Tuesday, story engagement, email customer stories, founder updates, and behind the scenes and polls. Wednesday, product spotlight, deep dive on one product, use cases, social proof. Thursday, value, entertainment, quick tips, industry news. Friday, promotional weekend sale, limited time offer, product launch, bundle deal. Now, if you're gonna remember anything from this lecture, remember this part, training your list. Here is something most marketers miss. You're not sending emails, you're training behavior at a deep subconscious level. Most customers don't even realize it's happening. One day they think, I love this brand, and this happened to everybody, including myself. Their logical brain can't explain it unless they train in psychology and marketing, which most aren't and honestly don't even care, which is the funniest part. Email teaches your subscribers what to expect from you, how to perceive your brand, and how to feel when they see your name in their inbox. Train them correctly and they eagerly open your emails. Train them poorly and they ignore you. Don't blame your subscribers. Take full responsibility, because that's how you empower your brand. Now I'm gonna give you guys some tips to how to train your list, but it goes way more in depth than this. Number 1, consistency in sending. Send at the same times on the same days. If you send Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 10 in the morning, people start expecting your emails. Then consistency build habit. Number 2, consistency in value. Every single email need to deliver value, even your promotional emails. If someone opens and think that was worth my time, they open the next one. String together 10 valuable emails and you got yourself a trained subscriber. Number 3, subject line patterns. Develop a recognizable pattern. Some brands use emojis consistently, others use specific format. This pattern recognition make your email stand out in a crowded inbox. Number 4, the first 90 days are critical. Your welcome sequence and the first 3 months of email determine if someone becomes an engaged subscriber or inbox cluttered. Front load value in this period. Number 5, the surprise day technique. Pick one day out of the week where you send something unexpected, a random discount, early access, exclusive discount. Train people that open your Tuesday email might result in something special. This creates intrigue, curiosity, which will lead to engagement, which make people open your emails, which will lead to more conversions. If you're serious about increasing profitability with email, download the proven email campaign checklist and lecture notes below. And if you want a clear plan to add 20 to 30% more revenue from email, book a free audit through the link in the description down below.